Here comes a car. Kids, this is an orange car. And the car goes... Yes, kids, this is a car. And you know, in this car, you can go to the toy shop and buy yourself a lot of toys.